And we need to take care of it. Should I honor his wishes and sprinkle his ashes in the Mississippi? Wow, that was a good shot.
Are they having success?
Yes,
does it look like it?
Successfully.
You're successfully standing on the dock.
They're still on the dock, so that's a good thing. They haven't blown anything out. Look. Nice one.
But it looks like Reef Candidates or something. And they put a handicap parking, I see, right up next to the window. Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, it's scooting. Oh!
More impressively.
And it had some underwater bang to it. You know,
Jerry
I have to say, you
right in the middle of the
I like how
fence.
calm the two of you look. Woo!
Good one, fellas.
Show!
Good job, guys.
I like our more budget-minded show down here where we have the rookies.
Rookies indeed.
Although they are rather experienced. Let's see, there was... Whoa, no height on that one. Ooh, nice shot. Wow. Woo! Good one.
Yes.
Here.
Ooh, oh, that's right.